Good morning friends, welcome back in my channel. Gardening is my passion. Today, after cyclonic storm of YAAS Cyclonic storm, day before yesterday they hit in our West Bengal and Odisha area. There was a huge devastation in your area, and many of the viewers and subscribers asked me what is the situation of your garden, condition of your garden. But we are very much scared of this for 24 hours long. We are very scared of this cyclonic storm. But thanks God that was not a much of devastation in our area, in our Kolkata area. That was a big devastation in the area of Digha or seashore area, but in our area, land area in Kolkata here city, there was a big storm, and though there was a little bit of rain there, but not a big storm here. So I am showing you what is the present situation of my garden. Here you can see this is the hibiscus, and they are all beautiful plants. These are all eggplant or brinjal, nice one, and this is bougainvillea. All the trees are fine and okay. These are some jasmine here. I tell you the naming of this cyclonic storm, the YAAS Cyclonic storm that came, the name was given by Oman, and I tell you the history behind. This is all, these are the all rosemary. This is the plants of rosemary, Delonix regia. This is gulmohar. That seedling is going on here. Many projects going on here, and this is the seedlings of this Parijat or night blooming jasmine. Here is some projects is going on. I am making some of the radial roots in adenia. You see I am pulling it out here. This is that I have cut here, and the radial roots will emerge here in 2 to 3 months time, and I will show you the situation or what is the condition here. Some is the eggplant, and this is the some I have shown you the video how you can get the chilies again and again year after from one plant. And here is some pudina plants that new projects are going on, new videos are making how to get the pudina or this mint plant nicely. This just started the project here, and once I get it successful, then I'll upload the video here. So many of the plants here you can see, beautiful plants. This is the bleeding heart vine, and this is the blue pea, or this plant is called Aparajita, nice plant. And here lots of plants here. So many things. So the name of YAAS, meaning in Hindi it is called grief or plight or sorrow, and in English it is sometimes it is in English it is called jasmine. So and the name was given by Oman, the country. Here in panel on tropical cyclone panel, they decide the name. In 2020 they given 169 names by 13 countries. There are India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, some Middle East countries. These are 13 countries, they decide the names, and this name was given by Oman. So now I'll tell you some of these things here. Project, this is the beautiful nice one, hibiscus, you can see, and lots of projects are going on here. And you see this, the water is not drained here, so you must keep this soil very well drained soil, and these are all well drained soil, but this one is not. So you have to make sure that your soil is well drained, else what will happen, all the stems will be damaged and they will degraded, and the plants will die. Eventually plants will die. Here are some lots of plants my behind also. So you can see these are some of these my plants here. So this is the present condition, not a much of the damage here. So thank God that my garden was saved, though my very small garden, and hope your garden will be okay and fine, and after this cyclonic storm. So all the fines and all the best. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.